Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to M2 Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video, we have a really cool video with a brand new Hot Wheel that just recently came out. But before we get started with that, I do want to mention I do have a merch store. On that store, I have a bunch of car-related products and a bunch of Hot Wheel type stuff as well. I am doing a giveaway currently, and I am giving away this month the Lego Nissan Skyline GTR R34 from Fast and the Furious, and it even has a little Paul Walker minifigure in that. I'm giving this away for free. It is a brand new unopened set, and all you guys have to do is check out my merch store. There's going to be a link in the description down below. For every $5 you purchase, you do get an additional entry into this giveaway. So definitely go check it out. And this giveaway is going to be from April 1st to April 30th. So any orders between that time frame, April 30th at like 11:59 p.m. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. Get entered into this free giveaway because you do not want to miss out on that. But today's video, while we're on the topic of Skylines, we have this very beautiful Hot Wheels RLC 1972 Skyline HT 2000 GTR. And this thing looks absolutely amazing. It just recently came out, and I'm going to be careful and take it out of the plastic protector. But this thing is, I think it looks really, really good. And it does have a very beautiful ADVAN livery on that. And I think that looks so cool. And honestly, that's like one of my favorite theme kind of designs on a car. You got Falcon, Golf, and I really love the ADVAN as well. And let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this car. And then obviously the RLC cars have a little window in the back. And sometimes they have a little sticker up here with like a certain like limited number out of like whatever number out of this. This one does not have that, but there is a text box there. If you guys want to pause that, you can read it. But I think this is a really cool car. Obviously, you can see the car through the little window there in the back. It does have rubber Real Rider tires on it, and it is like all metal. And I think Hot Wheels did a great job with that. On the front end, it does have the little license plate that says 72 HAKO. So I know it's the 1972, so I'm not sure exactly what the initials there. But you guys can actually kind of see it in the picture right there as well. And then there's even more detail on the back with detailed taillights. Even has the little GTR logo and the same license plate. We got the Yokohama on there. You got KW, DAI, and looks like turn 14. So I think that is a really cool design, a really cool car. Even the roof looks cool as well. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. Also, just love how Hot Wheel RLC cars have like that holographic text. But this was one of the cars that when I first saw it coming out, I was super excited. And if you guys do want to pick one of these up, I do have a couple available on my merch store. So like I said, link in the description down below. You guys hop on, you purchase one of these, and you automatically get entries into this giveaway. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. Definitely snag it while you can. Limited run, so there's not going to be too many. So first come, first serve. But if you guys do like this car, let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments down below. If you guys did like the video as well, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there because I do a lot of Hot Wheel content, a lot of Hot Wheel case unboxings, a lot of kind of reveals of some RLCs, some other exclusive cars, and a lot of other cool videos that are all like collectible related. So definitely subscribe button so you don't miss out on all those. But like I said, if you guys did like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, guys, thank you for watching.